Imagine telling everybody in February that you're going to be racing in a national championship in a car you've never driven, at a track you've never gone to, and actually having the audacity to say to people that you're going to do quite well in a field of 26 cars, 8 former national champions, 10 former race car winners. But guess what, Serpents? Guess what? Because the championship standings are out now, and the Formula RX8 round 1 championship standings, as you can see, shows that the Serpent is currently sitting 5th in the championship, which was an unbelievable event. It was so good, to get out there and show my skills. But now we're coming back for round 2 at Morgan Park in Queensland from May 31st. Let's go!